Hey there, thanks a lot for clicking this video. If you are new in this YouTube family, so you're heartily welcome. So in this video I'm going to talk about Cambly, how to use Cambly, how to subscribe, how to talk native speaker, and how to gain free minutes on Cambly, and how to use Cambly for free. It's very easy. All of the things I will show you on my mobile screen, so keep watching this video for learn full about Cambly. So after a long time I thought I need to try to full video. So I hope this video gonna be helpful for you. And if you're new on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe. I'm uploading more interesting videos each and every day. I hope that would be really helpful for you. Alright, let's begin. First of all, I'm going to open this application. Now I'm going to tell you how to subscribe Cambly. Just click this option. First of all, you need to set your weekly agenda. Click this one. You need to select your timing. You can use 15 minutes per day. You wanna use 13 minutes per day. You wanna use 16 minutes per day. I wanna use 15 minutes per day. It's enough for me. Here option is 2 days per week, or 3 days per week, or 5 days per week. Maybe 2 days per week is okay, or you can say 3 days is very important, very nice. Maybe you will try to Monday, Wednesday, Friday, like this type of. So then you need to select your here, pick a commitment level, monthly, or you can say quarter or yearly. If you will select this yearly, you can get 25% off. For quarter you will get 10% off, and for monthly you can't get any. For example, I'm going to select this for year. Okay, yearly will be 25% off. So here you can see your total USD dollar 612. okay, buy with confidence, cancel at any time. You can cancel with any time, you can. Okay, if you have promo code, you can dial here promo code for discount. If you don't have, it's alright. And I have a code already in my description, you can check there. Select this plan. Okay, if you will try to use this promo code in my description, so you will get a benefit. So now we are going to select plan. So now you need to select your card number here, payment info. You need to select your card number here. Then you can see here is for confirm. Here is a summary: 15 minutes per day, 3 days per week. Okay, this type of you need to use. This is for your summary. You can see here pay in 4 monthly installments, $156. You can see here automatically payment taken every month in 4 equal installments for 156. Okay, and then you can see here pay upfront. When you will add here your number, okay, there will be option show for purchase, then click there. You can then check this security checkout. Okay, I hope you got it. You can see here option is schedule lessons. Click on this option, and here's a lot of tutors is available. Okay, any tutor you wanna connect, you can connect. How you need to connect, I'm going to tell you. For example, this one you wanna connect her. Click this profile, so you can see how you will try to practice with. And this option is practice English. Click this option, then your call will be connect, and you can call. If you have minutes, so you can call. Otherwise you don't have, so here will be option you need to subscribe. Okay, then here's message. You can message. If you wanna, you can message her. If you have subscription, then you can message. Then profile video, you can check profile video. If you wanna talk with her when you will subscribe, so you can click this one. For she will be saved in your favorite tutors. And you can also click this notify me when this tutor in online. You can click this. Okay, that would be really good whenever she will be online, so this application will notify you. See here number second option. This option is about courses. Welcome to courses. Here you can talk with. Here you can select topic, and you can talk with your tutors. So here first option is basic conversation topics. Okay, you can talk. Here is 10 lessons for beginner. The second is about professional development, about business English. You can here's also this option is for intermediate level. 10 lessons available. And life in the internet age, has 9 lesson. It's also for like intermediate. Okay, here's a lot of for IELTS speaking also is available. You can here's 8 lesson for all. This here is only for all, not any people. Here is no any selected like a specific level. Here's all. This lesson is for all. All right, I hope you got it. So in this step, here's a lot of option. Step by step I'll tell you. First is message, as I already told you, and second is for free mint. How you gain free mint on this application? It's very easy. You know, simply you need to try to share this application. When you will share, first of all, I'm going to read this one for you. Share Cambly and get more mint. Your friend will get 10 minutes to check out Cambly. When they sign up, you will get 5 minutes for every friend who completed their free trial, and you will get 60 minutes when they subscribe. If they refer enough friend, you can use Cambly for free. Okay, if you will share the Cambly, more people, enough means you can quite enough, you will share this application, so this application would be free for you, but you must need to share for gain more free mint. If you want, like if you want subscribe, so you must need to share and you can gain free mint. All right, I hope you will understood this option, how to share. This is first of all, this is copy option. You can copy and you can share any people. If you don't want to copy, so click this option, share, and here all of your like application is available here. You can share with Facebook, you know, WhatsApp, your email, you can send email, Gmail. Okay, all right, a lot of Telegram, Skype, Instagram. Now we are going to back. So our fourth option is favorite tutors, that we have already selected her. Okay, for favorite. Now number fifth option is refer code. If you have any refer code, you can try here. If you are new, so that would be really work. If you are not new, so it will not work. For example, I'm going to add Lakhan 600, submit. You can see unable to apply code because of it. I'm not new here, I have already used. So next option is reservation. You can see here, create a new reservation. You have a no upcoming reservation, you can reserve a section with a tutor from their Twitter. When you will create your reservation, then you can select your time for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you can talk with her. Alright, now lesson history. You can click here. You have no chat history because after a long time I have created new account. I was here issue. I will share that issue in next video. And this option is help. You can get help if you have any kind of question. You can get help from this application. Search your issue. Okay, then automatically here is a lot of option will tell you in text. While text, I mean through text. If you want to submit a request, you can submit your request also here, and also you can contact with the help@cambly.com for more details. We want to connect with the Cambly team, you can connect that email. Rate, you can rate Cambly. If you really love this application, you can 5-star, 4-star you can give. The last option is logout. You can log out. I hope you got it, all of the things. And this option for change your picture and name, this two option you can change, or there's a lot of option in Cambly. You can use is your desktop. When you will open this in your computer, there is a lot of option, you can change a lot of things. I hope you got a lot of option. And otherwise we have here is another option that I haven't told you. When you will click this option, so here is teaching style. For example, you wanna talk with kind and patient teacher, click this one, and here will be teacher will be in front of you, you can talk with them. Okay, then we have option fun, and then scholarly, knowledgeable, pronunciation course like pronunciation and grammar lessons, lesson for children, business signing, TOEFL preparation, IELTS preparation, and accent here, USA, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. You can select here any accent, so here will be your teacher will be in front of you, you can talk with them. I hope this application would be really helpful for you. You can talk a lot of tutors. All right, so it was a little bit about this application. I hope it would be really helpful. I hope it was a really helpful video for you. If it was really helpful, click the like button and never forget to subscribe. Till then, take care, love you all, thanks for watching, keep practicing, keep learning.